So this is my client. I'm about to do her knotless frontal braid install real quick. And I feel like for this to be my first time, I really did this. You know what I'm saying? This is my very first time doing the braided method way with this. And yeah, look at that. Look at that. Where's the lace? Can y'all detect it? Please tell me. Like, it looked just like her scalp. But yeah, so I braided her hair at the crown to the lace to attach it, and then I glued it at the front. And yeah, the rest of her hair I just braided like normal, and that's how I did it. Now at this part, I'm just feeding the hair in so y'all can get an idea of how y'all can do it yourself. And she really loved her hair. Like, I'm so proud of me. And for the record, it is no filter on this video, like, at all. Like, this is straight authentic. Now right here, I'm just applying, I believe, 2 layers of glue around her perimeter. And I spreaded it out, you know, and blow dried it with the blow dryer for it to get clear. And then I attached it and laid it down. This is actually a good style for people with thinning areas and have some form of alopecia. Like, don't let nobody tell y'all can't get braids, because it's ways, baby. It's definitely ways. Like, just come see Magic Fingers, Magic Hands. I get you all the way together, okay? Let me know what y'all think in the comments about this install. Because, yeah, I ate this up. I really did. Look at that. Boom. Quit playing with me. I did that.